Question 3, we've got a full question to do here from this differential equation. Starting on the left-hand side to find the complementary function, we've got the auxiliary equation of m squared minus 6m equals 0. That gives us two answers, m is 0 and m is 6. And so we're looking at one part of the equation being a e to the 6x plus b e to the 0. Now, b e to the 0 is simply b. Now that's a constant, and that causes a problem because for the particular integral, we were thinking this is a quadratic. So we were thinking we were going to go lambda plus mu x plus nu x squared, weren't we? But we can't, because this here is a constant that would be clashing with that constant there. We can't do that. First time we've had this in one of the questions, isn't it? So what we're going to do is we're going to times everything in this particular integral by x squared, by another extra x. So now nothing clashes with that. The rest of it's the same. It just makes it a tiny bit more complicated as we go through this. But we differentiate as usual, and we differentiate a second time as usual. That disappears now, so I've just got 2 mu, and then I've got 6 nu x. And substituting these things here into this bit, so we've got d2y by dx squared, which is that, and then minus 6 dy by dx's, so minus 6 of those. That's minus 6 lambda minus 12 mu x and minus 18 nu x squareds. And we want that to equal 2x squareds minus x plus 1. So again, my mental check here, I'm thinking nu is going to be minus a ninth when I get that there, but I will use the calculator again to do it. So looking for x squareds first of all, no lambdas, no mu's, but minus 18 nu's, and we want that to equal 2. Make sure I put the 2 in this time. Now we're looking for the x's, so we've got how many lambdas? No lambdas, but we've got 2 minus 12 mu x's, and we've got 6 nu x's there, and the x's we want to equal minus 1, and the constants on the end. Lambdas is minus 6, mu's is 2, and nu's, we haven't got any nu's there, and so that equals 1. So we have got, now look at this, this would be a horrendous answer if I was thinking about minus 17 over 108. I wouldn't like that. I've got mu is 1 over 36, and I've got nu is minus a ninth. And that feels right because we thought that it was going to be minus a ninth earlier. Well, with all of that, we can now write down what our answer is. Our answer was, from a top up there, I just circled it off the top of the screen, is a e to the 6x plus b, and then we've got minus 1/9 of x cubed plus 1/36 of x squared minus 17 over 108, and that had an x next to it so that it didn't clash with the constant there. So there we go. That's a 10 marker, that. Look at that, 10 marks.